What's up everybody, Her.will here. Welcome to the channel for a second video today. Now we're gonna go a little bit more in depth on what is happening here with the insurance company, and it's already picking up. There is in fact much more than I thought going on, so we're gonna go through this article together and see what they have filed in. So AH faces new legal battle, this time with her insurance over debt suit. So New York Marine and General Insurance Co. filed a lawsuit against the Aquaman actor Friday in federal court. So they literally filed the lawsuit. This is real, I suppose, seeking to avoid having to pay H after her unsuccessful defense of a defamation lawsuit brought by her ex-husband Johnny Depp. The insurance company says in the lawsuit that it does not believe it has an ongoing obligation to defend H. What? Another insurance company is also providing coverage to H. An actual controversy has arisen and now exists between plaintiff on one end and Heard on the other hand, which with regard to the duties and obligation owed between plaintiff and H under the policy with respect to indemnity for her action in that case, New York Marine said in its complaint. Wow. So this is getting worse and worse, I suppose. A spokesman for H declined to comment. Saturday, another insurance company, Travel Commercial Insurance, has spent and continues to spend substantial sums for H defense under a homeowner insurance policy it provides. In 2018, according to court filing, it is now pursuing New York Marine for its share of the cost. So basically there are two insurance companies, and the one of the homeowner, I think it's one from the lady that was also in the trial. Now they're going after this homeowner insurance is going after the New York Marine and General Insurance Co. Wow. Oh, what a whirlpool of madness, man. New York Marine complaint lodged in the U.S. District Court in California on Friday is the latest potential legal challenge for H. It comes a little more than a month after the verdict in the draw-out, highly publicized trial before the jury in Virginia decided, okay, we know who won. So this is gonna be just insane. Plaintiff contended there is no duty to defend H based on California Insurance Code 533. The insurance company said in its complaint the state code provides that an insurer is not liable for a loss caused by the willful act of the insured, the lawsuit said. Basically, they're saying, if I understand correctly, you did this of your own will, defaming that guy, we cannot cover that. You did that. So, again, this is another example of, nobody sticking on her side. I wonder why the home insurance is doing what it's doing, probably some for whatever kind of policy. So it continues here. H plans to appeal the jury decision in the defamation case. We're still waiting for that. We know that they tried some sort of memorandum yesterday, filing in the court. We also learned that it's totally useless because the jury was confirmed. So now they're just I don't know what they're doing, honestly. I've seen also the video debunking that this old juror thing, number 15, doesn't pose any trouble whatsoever to the verdict. They just got some attention because of it. Maybe that was their intention in the first place, but still no appeal. So we'll see next week what it will bring. And this is also something new. She has incurred at least $6 million in attorney's fees, according to testimony in the Virginia defamation trial early this year. $6 million. I mean, honestly, I know that takes work to do a trial, but god damn, $6 million. These people, how much get paid for hour? Unreal. Travel sued the New York Marine for an equitable contribution towards defense expenses, according to filing in 2021 in U.S. District Court in California. Traveler said in its complaint that New York Marine should have to pay at least half of the defense cost to homeowner policy travel issued to H in 2018, including coverage of potentially covered damages because of defamation, and promised a defense to any lawsuit seeking such damages according to the complaint. So basically, they're seeking from the New York Marine Co. Insurance 3 million of the money. So New York Marine denied some of the allegation and countersued. According to court filing, the case was stayed pending the resolution of the defamation case. Spokespeople for the two insurance company were not immediately available for comment. So more trouble on the horizon. It's really like this is already in the Los Angeles Times. It's the same article that we just read. So you really understand that things are not working super well for somebody, and probably they're making all these headlines because, I don't know, buying time or trying to get more attention. I was reading something about this book deal, but honestly, maybe we can talk about it in another time. There's this sort of beat war that it's rising to 50 million to get the sort of the right to write this book. I know that some people might be curious to read such a book, but in all fairness, what can be written, like it's not that you don't know already whatever it's capable of, such a person, in terms of creating fictional stories. So already a lot of stuff it's out there into the word that people can listen to. So, and also, what would you say that you didn't say in the trial, that was so incredibly overwhelmingly bigger than what we already know? And also, why didn't you use it if it would have helped you to win the trial? So honestly, I don't see this book being very successful. Probably those publishers are just going to lose some money. Anyway, guys, more news. We'll keep covering it. And let me know what else would you like to see. And yeah, thank you so much for the support. Please consider subscribing. I really, really appreciate all the views, all the comments, all the thumbs up. Means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Have a good Saturday. Ciao.